So to use Keynote, you need to click on the app and then choose a theme. Once you've clicked choose a theme, you need to create presentation at the top. Then use the basic white, click on that, and the boxes that are there you need to click on and delete everything that is on there at first. So that's the first thing you need to do. Next, you need to go to your photo gallery and get the picture that you screenshotted and cropped from your Seesaw activity. So you can see I chose the medium challenge. So remember, you could choose the mild, medium, spicy, or extra spicy. Once you've done that, you need to make it bigger so it fits onto the screen. Remember, you're moving the picture, not the background. So you don't want it too small. The bigger it is, actually, the more it fills the screen, the easier it will be. So I'm quite happy with that. And then I'm going to start tracing it. So you just use your Apple Pen, click on the page, and you select the black pen and you start to trace. So you can see I've done it there in the corner. If I move my picture, you can see that I've started. Now you shouldn't move your picture. I'm just showing you what it should look like. So I'm just going to keep tracing around the outside until I get one outline of my picture. So now I've traced all the way around the outside of my picture. I've joined my lines together, and if I move the picture, you can see that I've done that. Remember, you shouldn't move it. I'm just showing you what it will look like, and you can see that I've done the outside. But I also need to do the inside. I need to make sure I trace every single line on my picture. So now I'm going to just add more details on the inside of my drawing. I'm going to trace all along the wall on the inside and add the details on the grass just to make my picture look even better when I'm finished. So make sure you carefully trace every line, every detail as carefully as possible. Take your time, go slow. I'm going fast, so mine's going to be a little bit messy, but I just want to show you an example. And once you've done that, there's actually a quick way to color in your painting. So if you look at the icons at the bottom, the thick one beside the eraser, if you click on it, it helps you color in very, very quickly. So I need green because my background is green. I click on that, tap the green color, and then if I click inside a section, it just goes green, just like that. And I can do the next one and then the next small section. So you can see that I can color in really quickly doing it that way. Now, when you do this, you have to be very careful that all your lines are joined, because look, if I try to do the next section, it all turns green. And the reason that is, here, I've highlighted, you can see I haven't connected my black line. So that gap lets the green come through. So if I complete it now, and now I try, you see that it all stays in that one place because all my black line is connected and the green can't go anywhere else. So the last little bit I'm going to show you, if I highlight this section of the wall, you can see it's actually two slightly different colors of gray. So I'm just going to highlight around the edge and I'll show you how to change the colors. I'm making sure my lines are closed so it doesn't go anywhere. So I need to click on my paint again and then the colorful wheel, and I'm going to choose a gray. So I'm going to choose one type of gray, add it. But the other one is a little bit lighter, so I'm going to choose a lighter gray this time and add it. And then once I do that, you can see there's a slight difference between the two. And that is how you change the color when you're doing your painting. So it's time now for you to complete your chosen picture. And hopefully yours will be even better than mine. But here's my finished example after carefully going through and coloring each section.